This was supposed to be a regular travel vlog about our experience at the Bulgarian seaside, but instead it became the story of how we found Sozo, the stray puppy, on the streets of Sozopol and that ended up adopting him. But first, here's the story of how we came to Sozopol and what happened after. So we're just walking into our Airbnb in Sozopol, and it's pretty very nice. I don't know if it shows here. Look at this is like a complex. It's called Santa Marina complex. So has a water fountain. Oops. And this is it on the inside. And here we are getting ready for our first at home, Bulgarian breakfast. Well, so we've arrived here now at the Smokinya beach, also known as Kavacite. It's mostly a camping ground. You can see there's a lot of campers here, but it's also a protected ground because there's a special kind of lily growing out of all the on the little sand dunes, and I'll show you what this lily looks like. Here are the lilies that I was talking about, the protected lilies that are growing in the dunes. As you can see, some of them are still kind of budding. We walked all the way to all the way from that side of the beach, which I think is like the other side of the beach, which I think is like the north side to the south side of the beach, where the water is really crystal clear. This is where we settled, and there's a really cool rock behind me. So that's the end of the Kavacite plage, and here's where we put down our towels. See if you can see behind me Vlad and Maggie. They're, I think, here somewhere, whatever. Yeah, and we're gonna just kind of stay here now and try to go in the water. It's about 21 degrees and the water is like 22 degrees, but we can't miss being in this crystal clear water, so we're gonna go in and give it a try. I don't know why I'm the only person in the water. There aren't that many other people here, but it's really nice and pleasant, so not that bad. So as you know, we're on Smokinya beach now. Smokinya means what in Bulgarian?
Fig.
Yes, it means fig. And what are we doing on Smokinya on Fig Beach?
Figging.
We're figging.
You're figging out. Right?
We're eating figs. These are containers here that people have built behind the beach. As you can see, it's all glass, and they just kind of put them out here, and they come and spend the summer in the containers. So we're walking by, I guess you can say, kind of like a shanty town behind the beach, where people have just set up their caravans and containers, and they come here and spend the summer here. Well, we have now moved on from the beach to the hot tub of the complex where we're staying, and we're also making an amateur beer commercial. See? Which is sitting over there.
What is it called?
Pirinsko. Pirinsko Svetlo. This is a Bulgarian beer. But one important thing that I forgot to mention today is that the salt water in the Black Sea, where we were today, is the same salt consistency as your tears, our tears. So that's why when you dip your head in the salt water, you don't feel irritated. Well, cheers to Pirinsko, and we will see you
Now
later.
you're not in the vlog.
Hopefully we get
Yeah.
sponsored.
Why are you hiding?
I'm not hiding. I'm just
Pirinsko,
not
if you
being
want to
shown.
sponsor us, yes.
Yes, please
Sponsor our vlog.
sponsor our comrade.
Our 10 subscriber vlog.
Cheers to all of our 9 subscribers. Hey guys, big news. So actually come here. Actually.
Recorded?
Okay, come here. Vlad, come here. So actually today when we were driving to the beach, we saw this little guy. He's homeless. He was following like this old man. And like I wasn't sure when I saw him out the car, I wasn't sure if he's homeless or if he's just the guy's pet. Yes, commercial for somebody hoping to get sponsored by Haribo.
Haribo. Happy cherries. Brought to you by Haribo.
Okay, well, Haribo, please sponsor him if you see this. But anyway, we found this little guy. He's homeless, so we decided to just take him for the night and give him a bath and give him some food.
Give a name.
And tomorrow we're gonna try to take him to the Burgas dog shelter, but we'll see. I don't know how it works, but honestly he's so small and so cute and so loving, so we're just keeping him now and hugging him and got him some food and gonna give him a bath. And yeah, he's just adorable. So I feel like really God brought us to him today because I saw him earlier and now we went to a convenience store and we found him there. So I'll give you an update later. Guys, we're taking a little puppy home. We haven't decided for the name yet, but
Streety.
Streety.
And we're not sure if we're gonna fry him, grill him.
Oh,
roast him.
stop! People are gonna think you're telling the truth. But we're gonna give him a bath, and we'll keep you posted. A big shout out to our 9 subscribers watching this. We're in Burgas right now. Our dog is still here with us. He has some fleas. We got 6 fleas off of him so far. 11 fleas off of him so far. And we're gonna take him to the vet tomorrow. And right now we're just having a nice walk in Burgas, on the beach, Burgas. And you kind of see behind me. Expecting an attack from an enemy ship. Okay, well, right now we're in a restaurant called The Windmill. Here it is. It's a traditional Bulgarian restaurant and it's a really, really good one. Guess who's here on my left? That's right. And cheese on his foot. Yes, cheese on his foot, and I have cheese on my mouth. Okay, well, after taking Puppy to the vet, we came here for our last 2 days in Bulgaria. Well, last 2 days and then one more day in Sofia, so I guess third last. And this is the place where we're staying in SVETI VLAS. It's Casa Real. It's a pretty affordable apartment. Just doing a little update from where we are now, which is we are in SVETI VLAS. This is a little bit north of where we were before, Sozopol. And I'm gonna give a little update on the dog we found. Here he is with me. We just took him to the vet today, and the vet, basically he doesn't have any serious diseases, like he doesn't have parvovirus or anything like that. I mean, if viruses even exist. But here he has some, for example, look, he has some skin diseases. Like look at his ear here. And he has some, here, show your tummy. He has some things on his tummy, like streptococcus bacteria, I think, staphylococcus, something like that. And he has like dermatitis. So the vet gave us some medicines to cure that, and gave him an injection. And the plan is to leave him at the shelter in Sofia on our last day with all the medical documentation and all that. And I think he's gonna be adopted easily because he's so young. He's like maybe 3 months, and he's also so sweet, and he's a small breed, so hopefully that will go well. Keep it posted. Especially British tourists, they come here for the summer or whatever. It's 2 days before the end of the season, so still there's some activity, but not really too much. I'm in the water, not too many people in the water. It's a bit cool. So just want to tell you that even though we're in such a beautiful place, all of us, we're a little bit sad because, like, look at the mountains behind me. Sorry, here, I don't know if you can see, there's mountains. But everybody's a little bit sad because tomorrow we have to drop the dog off to the shelter. And, you know, it's sad because he's such a good dog. But anyway, we brought him to the beach today. He's over there with the towels. And later on, we're gonna go to Nessebar, which, honestly, Nessebar is right here. It's this island that you see here. It's like maybe 15-minute walk. So we'll go there and make a film from there as well, okay? Bye for now. In front of the Church of Christ Pantocrator. This church was built in the 14th century. Looks like Thracian style, but I'm not sure. And we're gonna keep walking to show you more of here, of some of the ancient ruins in this town.
Sofia is like the capital city of Bulgaria. It's been built or began building in the 5th century AD, almost completed in the 6th, and reconstructed in the 9th.
Okay, so as you heard from Vlad, we're still in the old town Nessebar, and here behind me is the church, ancient church of Saint Sophia, which Vlad talked to you about. One really amazing thing about all these ancient churches and ruins in Bulgaria is that they're actually completely free for the public for the most part, and you can really walk into them whenever you want and to explore them and see the architecture. Most of them are from, allegedly, Thracian times. Here they are, and it's really an amazing experience. As you can see here, kids are playing and inside them. So yes, you should come visit and see for yourself.
Hello everyone, this is the church built in the honor of Saint Paraskeva. It was built in the 13th century. Right next to the
Church of Saint Paraskeva, we have the Church of Saint Archangel Michael and Gabriel, allegedly built in the somewhere around the 13th century. We have now walked to the edge of the Nessebar Peninsula, and we find ourselves in front of another set of ancient ruins. This is the Church of Bogorodica, which means Mother of Christ. Elusia, it's called the church. Behind me, as you see, this kind of circular structure is called the windmill. And also behind me, where you can see the lights, is the sea and the SVETI VLAS and Sunny Beach and the other villages. I couldn't really film much after Nessebar, but here we are at the Sofia airport trying to catch our flight back home. The last day was pretty stressful, and as you can see, we ended up taking Sozo on the flight with us and taking him back home. I never knew how easy it is to bring a dog under 8 kilos with you on the flight. You could have it with you on the as a carry-on and just have to pay a small dog tax. We were pretty stressed out if this would be possible, but everything worked out in the end. And as you can see, Sozo had a great time on the flight. Now he's back home living with us and playing with my other 2 dogs and just being a happy puppy.